Riza May Pusugak. School Head, Dr. Francia T. Buffet, Principal Junior High School. Mrs. Ninita T. Andalis, Principal Senior High School. CTP, Mapping Facilitator, Mr. Jonathan P. Werno. Miss Marisol D. Mendoza, Assistant CTP Mapping Facilitator. Majors Coordinator, Mr. Sasa Di Mabayaw, Mr. Marvin Beterbo. DBC DLC Coordinator, Mr. Jonathan Tasara. Jomel Valeros, Attorney Emmanuel Ortega, University President. Entry number 21, University of St. Anthony San Miguel, Iriga City, Camarines Sur.
Thank you very much. Entry number 21, the University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga City, Camarines Sur. And that was our last entry.